Welcome back to the channel CAD Comrade, and in today's video we're going to learn about how to convert a SketchUp file to a trim beam file, which is a TRB file. So the trim beam file format, which is the .trb, is a lightweight proprietary 3D model format created by Trimble. Actually, it is designed to store and exchange building information, modeling, beam geometry, and data efficiently, providing a faster, smaller alternative to standard industry formats like IFC. So basically, this lightens up the SketchUp model. So the key characteristics of using the trim beam format is basically it is lightweight and fast. The at- attribute retention is nice, and the visual representation is excellent. So basically, following the standard format of IFC, Trimble has developed a very nice system of the TRB file, which is which is available on SketchUp. So if you want to convert your SketchUp model into a TRB model, you simply have to go to File, then you have to select on Export. In Export, you have to select 3D model. But before that, you have to make sure the whole model that you want to export as a TRB file has to be grouped as ones. So in this, it is not like Rhino that you select a particular model and only that much will be exported, but the whole model will only be exported. So press on export, then on 3D model, and then you have to wait for like a second. I don't know why. And then under the option of save a type, you have to select the trim bim file, which is the .trb file, and then you just have to press on export, and you have to wait like for a few seconds, and it will be exported as a perfect trb file. I would i would i will not be able to open it and show you because I don't have the supporting software. But here you can see the cadcomrade.trb file has been made, and you can see how lightweight it is as compared to a IFC or any other type of save type, correct? So this is how you can convert the SketchUp model into a trim beam file. So this is how easy it is to convert a SketchUp model to a TRB file format. So if you like the video, then share it with someone who may need it.